My name is Ryan Cole with Skyland Fire Department, and I am also the project manager for a grant that we did to purchase radios that we were able to get from the Assistance Firefighters Grant Program. The grant process, it was for Buncombe County, and Buncombe County is a very geographically challenging location for radio system. It's very challenging to have radio manufacturers bring radios in and work in this area because of our geography and because of the terrain that we have, because we have very mountainous terrain. We also have deep valleys, and we're located up on top of a ridge, so that causes even more issues as far as the total radio system itself. During the program, we went through an extensive evaluation and testing procedure where we evaluated all of the radio manufacturers, and we actually went through extensive testing as well. Through that, we were able to identify some of the pros and cons with different manufacturers. We were able to find different things that each radio provided for us, and made sure that all of the radios were firefighter tough. We had an interview process where each manufacturer come in, did a presentation, and we interviewed each one of the manufacturers with control questions, and then questions based on their product itself. After that, we went through a testing process where we had different stations, including drop tank test. We did drop tests of the radios at 6 foot, 10 foot. We put them in a high heat rinse cycle to a dishwasher. We actually put the radios in a collator for a vibration test, and then we did noise canceling tests through the air pack, in front of fans, in front of apparatus. So through this process, we were able to identify how all the radios performed and grade those radios and determine what our purchase would be after that. One of the things that we had the entire time was access to sales staff that was able to answer any of the questions, and RCC did a great job with that, of getting all of our questions answered, and also getting us all the equipment we needed for the evaluation process, and coming by and meeting with us on a regular basis to make sure that we had what we need. We did choose multiple manufacturers in the process, which met different needs, and the bulk of our purchase was E.F. Johnson.
My name is Jason Haynes. I'm a network engineer for Buncombe County government in North Carolina, and I support our P25 radio system. We have purchased and programmed roughly 400 of the E.F. Johnson Viking radios. We program them with the Armada software. It takes longer to get it out of the box and get the battery in it than it does to program the radio once you have a functioning template. The software is very intuitive. It was clearly, E.F. Johnson asked people that program radios for input. Even if you don't have a background in programming radios, anyone can take the Armada software and, if provided a template, can write that to the radios. There's nothing to it.
Through our testing process and evaluation process with all of the manufacturers, E.F. Johnson was proved to have a very affordable, very reliable, very serviceable product that we were very happy with.